In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Squarespace image URL quickly and easily using the built-in tools inside your Squarespace dashboard. This is really useful if you want to grab a direct image link for embedding, sharing, or using in other parts of your website workflow without having to guess where the file is stored. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website where your image is stored. Once you're inside your site settings, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. From there, click on Website. This takes you into the main area where you can manage your site content and media. Next, look for the Utilities section or the side menu options and click on Asset Library. The Asset Library is where Squarespace stores your uploaded files, including images, and this is the best place to find the direct file you want. Now locate the image file you need. If you have a lot of uploads, take your time and make sure you choose the correct one. You can scroll through the library until you find the right thumbnail. Once you see it, hover your cursor over the image thumbnail. In the upper corner, you should see a 3 dots icon appear. Click that 3 dots menu to open more options. From the drop-down menu, click File Info or Details. This is where Squarespace shows information about the file, and in many cases it helps you confirm you're working with the correct image before copying the link. After that, right-click the image and select Copy Image Address. This is the key step that gives you the actual image URL. Once you copy the address, you can paste it anywhere you need it, whether that's in a document, a code editor, or another platform that supports image links. If the link doesn't seem to work right away, double-check that you copied the image address and not just the image itself. The image URL should usually start with your Squarespace or file hosting path, and it should point directly to the image file. And that's it. Now you know how to get a Squarespace image URL in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful website tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more Squarespace tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.